If you want to be more successful, then improve your communication skills. The best way to do that? Smash the subscribe button right now. Is it okay to hold a pen when you're giving a presentation? People ask me that all the time. Oh, TJ, I'll be more comfortable if I could just hold a pen. That way, no one will see my hands shake. Here's the problem with holding a pen when you're giving a presentation. Once you're holding a pen, you're freezing this finger, this finger, this finger, this finger, this finger. Your wrist is more frozen. Your arm is more frozen. You've shut down basically half your body. Why do you want to shut down your body language? It's going to make you look literally stiff, literally less comfortable. The other thing is, why are you holding a pen when you're speaking? It's a little late to be writing your speech. You're already standing up, talking in front of people. So no, I do not recommend you hold a pen when you're speaking. The other thing I think strikes me as odd is, are you expecting yourself to say something so brilliant you need to write down and quote yourself? That seems a bit self-indulgent and egotistical. My advice is put the pen down. Oh, but TJ, what if people could see my hands shaking? Move your hands. It's common in every culture. People think, oh, it's just the crazy Italians that move their hands when they speak. Wrong. Human beings in every culture on earth move their hands when they speak. Now, some places it may be bigger, some it may be smaller, the movement, but when human beings are comfortable and relaxed, they move their hands. Now, if you doubt me, go to any sports bar anywhere in the world and look at people who are there with friends, colleagues, family, and they're watching a game and they're talking. Put some headphones on so you don't even have to hear what they're saying. Look at them. I guarantee you, you're not going to see people saying, I don't like the last call that referee made. No, they're going to be, can you believe the call that ref made? It's crazy. It was awful. People move their hands when they speak. Now, you don't have to be that expressive if you're standing up giving a standard business presentation. But you do want natural movement. You may think, oh, I'll be more comfortable holding a pen. It's something for me to do. Here's the problem. You're looking at it the wrong way. It's not about you being comfortable. It's about your audience perceiving you as being comfortable. I might be comfortable standing here in my bathing suit. Well, that's not going to make you comfortable. You don't want to look at me in my bathing suit talking about these issues. So instead, I dressed in a way that I hope would make you feel more comfortable about listening to my advice and learning from me. So don't be so selfish. It's not about you. Every presentation you give is really about the experience for your audience. But you know what? There is some benefit to you too, because if you know in advance that your audience perceives you as more comfortable, as more confident, as more authoritative, as more relaxed, guess what that does to you? That's right. It's going to make you feel more comfortable. Have I made you more comfortable yet? If so, even a little bit, please let me know by liking this video. One step up, even better, go ahead and subscribe. Now, if you really want to help yourself and me, ask me a follow-up question. Is there something I've said here that seems unclear? Is there something where you're not quite sure what to do? Please let me know. I want to know. So post a question, post a comment, post a disagreement. If you think I'm full of you know what, post the comment right here. I would absolutely love to hear from you to figure out how to make this better. So please, please keep your hands free. If you're delivering PowerPoint, you may think, well, of course, TJ, I have to hold the remote control and walk around, and each time, you don't even have to do that. What I recommend with PowerPoint is just use the space bar on a laptop. You can walk around the room, say what you want to say, look at people, gesture. You can go to different parts of the room and be looking at people over here. You can be going over here. There's a lot of different range. You can get closer to people, but you simply do not have to say, well, I've got to have this remote control here because every 5 minutes I may have to touch it. No, you don't have to do that. Easiest thing to do is just have a laptop nearby. In fact, I have one right here. All I have to do is tap the space bar. The space bar is the largest bar on your computer, and it will advance PowerPoint. So it makes it very simple and easy to do. So I'm begging you, if you're speaking, if you're presenting, if you're talking, and you want every possible advantage working for you, put the pen down, put the pencil down, put the remote controls down, and just gesture. Move your hands freely. Your audience won't necessarily know why, but they will perceive you as infinitely more comfortable, confident, and relaxed.